Hello to all my viewers, this is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we are going to discuss how to generate side-by-side circle views chart in Tableau. So for this, we will go in the environment of Tableau. Now in the case of Tableau, the variables is divided into two parts. One, the categorical variable, and another is a continuous variable. Categorical variables are known as dimensions, and continuous variables are known as measures. So we'll pick up one dimension from here and one measure from here. So let us pick up subcategory and sales from here. The multiple selections of the variable can be done with the help of Control Tab on your keyboard. Drag it and drop it in the canvas. Now activate the circle charts from here. Now you'll have to pick up the subcategory from here and you'll have to drop it in the columns. So you can see that depending upon the sales, the circle chart is ready. So this is the subcategory chairs and the sales is 3,28,000. Similarly, phones. Now I want to create the side-by-side circle view charts. So it is necessary one more dimension is added here. I'll pick up the segment from here and I'll drop it into the columns. I'll activate the side-by-side circle view charts from here. You can see the circle view charts is ready. If I want to change the shape, I'll click here and activate this round shape. So, how to read this chart? This is a consumer segment, and in that, subcategory chairs is there, whose sales is highest. And this is we are in consumer segment, subcategory fasteners, and the sales is lowest. Similarly, corporate chairs is highest, and here for fasteners it is lowest. So this is the way you can generate side by side circle views chart in Tableau. For more videos on Tableau, kindly subscribe to my channel. You can follow me on LinkedIn and Twitter. Please refer my playlist in which I already uploaded many videos of Tableau. Please don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the like button.